Girl, I get the money if you make you mine, oh. If you love me, every night you make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke, it's you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Girl, I love you every day. Diamonds and you, my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay, It ain't making money, days,
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Rocky Dimples, okay, and today I'm going to be getting my wax for my trip to the Bahamas. I'm currently on the way. I have work shortly after. I did forget my camera, so I will be vlogging on my phone just for this day. My appointments are kind of like all over the place because I do work and I have other things to do, so all of my appointments were not able to be scheduled on one day. And so today is my wax appointment, and tomorrow is going to be my lash appointment, and then Thursday night I'll be getting my hair done by my mom and sister back home. So that's the plan for this week. I'm so excited for this Bahama trip. It will be vlogged, so you guys stay tuned for that, and I'm excited. So basically, after my wax appointment, I'll now be getting my nails done in the next clip.
She used to work at Queen of Diamonds on a Monday. Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday. I used to pull up every week and try to sing her. The way she did it, nobody could do it cleaner. I seen her in a suit for my birthday, and I can tell you the reason these niggas Thursday. Now mama getting it in on the worst day. Now mama getting it in, she fit the school and the gym into a work day. I'm sprung, she got me doing the dishes. Tell a nigga down when the clip was to an extension. You so bad, yeah, you so vicious. I'm so glad that you not his chick. She wanted a nigga, ain't got the right one. I wanted a fact, she looking like fun. Pull up on me, baby, it's in the night. Stay saying I'm sprung, they right. I can't let you go without me. Daddy got me. Ain't no mama tryna lock me. It can't be nobody if it's not me. I'm in the same spot that you got me. I can't let you go without me. Daddy got me. Ain't no mama tryna lock me. It can't be nobody if it's not me. I'm in the same spot that you got me. You. You sprung me, baby, I sprung you too. Yeah, I got me, baby, I'm a undo. I like a busty, baby, I'm a bust you. I'm sprung in this too, cause
ooh, you did it, ooh, did it, you. I already know what it takes to get into you. Ooh, bring it back. She put that pussy on me, she know how to make it clap, I make it clap, yo. I make it clap, yo. I had them haters asking how you up in that road, and how them umbrellas coming out of that door, how the front doors open up like the back doors. I be like, you ain't rich enough. You ain't got my bitch in the Lamborghini bikini on the beach enough. Now you pitching up, now you pitch with us. She said that champagne nasty, spit it up. Tory just one out of it, a hot song. Now the chicks won't taste saying not gone, but it's been 5 times you ain't catch on. Maybe on the next song. I can't let you go without me.
Daddy got me. Ain't no mama tryna lock me. It can't be nobody if it's not me. I'm in the same spot that you got me.
I can't let you go without me.
Daddy got me. Ain't no mama tryna lock me. It can't be nobody if it's not me. I'm in the same spot that you got me. You sprung me, baby, I sprung you too. Yeah, I got me, baby, I'm a undo. I like a busty, baby, I'm a bust you. I'm was wrong in this.
Partners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the spot. Jumping peas. Drop the data, now we plotting. Inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Pushing P. I'm pushing P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Pushing P. P's on her knees, mopping down P. She let me squeeze if she leave, cause she keeping P. Private suite, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Pushing P, I'm pushing P. Pushing P, I'm pushing P. Yeah. Pushing P, I'm pushing P. Pushing P, I'm pushing P. Yeah. Papa P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm pushing P. I'm pushing P. Pushing P, I'm pushing P. Yeah. Punch it down, punch it deep. And okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche. Push P. 3 P's, popcorn, Porsche. Push P. I just want a cup of water. Push a P, red bandana card. I'm a P, I your whole endorsement. She ain't been here for me, she simply Porsche. I never saw Appt and we finally touched. She ready in the streets with me, no question. To reach the text, I let my shoulder forward. Take the P at the alphabet, nigga try to sort it. I'm pushing P, I'm pushing P. Pushing P, pushing P. I'm pushing.
I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage.
Okay, YouTube, please excuse how your girl look. Okay, just got my nails done. I'm sorry I was not able to film an intro to me getting to the nail place, but just got my nails done. They look like this. They're real cute. Sorry y'all, I'm driving, so can't do too much, but got my nails done for my cruise that is in a couple days. I needed to get my nails done, lashes done. This is not how my hair will be. I will have a protective hairstyle and yeah, my next appointments are gonna be next week, so I'll probably pick up the camera back up when I get my lashes and my hair done. So bye.
Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play. It was nothing, yeah. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it all away and say my love that I was not the same, yeah. How you gonna throw it away? Throw it away, throw it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Acting like you know.
Y'all, so I just finished with my lashes and Talisa slayed me for sure. I will leave all her information down in the description box down below and on the screen as well, so you guys can book with her if you're in the Orlando area. And yes, the next thing is just my hair, and then we are ready for this motherfucking trip.
You gotta be gone. Only about yourself. When I find somebody else, so I